Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmodule Software and today we will see how to add asset request. So let's start. Just click on assets module, then select new asset request submodule. Just click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. You can easily export multiple asset requests through this export to Excel and export to CSV options. To create new asset request, just click on add new. Then enter the description for that asset request. I'm just adding request 1 over here. Just select the department. If you don't get any department list over here, then check out my previous video how to add departments and add it. Just select one department. Then select the status. Then enter requested by. I'm just adding Andy over here. Enter quantity. I have just added 10. Then you have to fill this annual increase in operating cost for these all options. I'm just adding demo amount over here. All costs you have to add. Then financial analysis you want to update. Revenue generating, if you want to keep it as yes, then keep it as yes. If not, then select no. Any attachment for pro forma is there, then upload it through this option. Payback period in years, you have to mention it over here. Total amount requested, you have to mention in this field. I'm just adding demo amount. Then just has purchasing department reviewed this quote for price comparison, then select yes. If not, then select as no. If the equipment is new or refurnished, select that. I'm just selecting new. Replacement parts guaranteed, just enter period over here. I'm just adding 1. Then select the warranty. I'm just selecting new over here. If additional cost is there, then add it. Enter warranty coverage period over here. Then add expected useful life. Disposable components, if yes, then select as yes. If not, keep it as no. Then next is financial analysis only required for some projects. Equipment project approved by capital budget. If it's true, then select as true. If not, then select as false. Enter the item ID. Then enter amount approved. I'm just adding 80,000 over here. Then why, you have to write notes for it. Then select the required ones. I'm just selecting random. Just select type of purchase, reviews completed by following, then deposition of current equipment, then purchase justification. Select all the fields. Enter approver email ID. I'm just enter test email ID over here. Then enter name for it. Then select the sign date. If multiple approvers are there, then select it and just save it. On save only, your data will be saved and page will be reloaded. An audit logs tab will be available. You can check all audit logs against that asset request in this tab. Just click on save and close option. your new asset request entry will be created. You can easily view, edit and delete this entry through these actions, and you can quick search your results through this filter given over here. I am just adding request 1 over here and search it. This is how you can quick search your results through filter, and you can quick refresh your search result through this refresh button. If you get any query to add new asset request, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolesoftware.com. See you in the next video.